As a teacher or a student, you will always have tasks to complete, whether it's to complete a class's marking or submit a report. Microsoft To Do is an application which allows you to manage all your tasks. You are able to create tasks within lists. You can even sort out your tasks by due date, set yourself reminders, or start important tasks. Since all the tasks you create are stored on the online Exchange servers, it means it will appear in your Outlook tasks automatically. Microsoft To Do also allows collaboration with others by creating lists and sharing them with others so they can view and edit them. This makes it a great tool for assigning tasks for group project work. Microsoft To Do is a free application and is available to anyone with a Microsoft account. You can download the desktop version or use the web or mobile app versions for iOS or Android. Microsoft To Do relies on the Exchange Online servers, and it can be used with a work or school Microsoft account. Listed here are the minimum system requirements. In the next video, we will see how you can use Microsoft To Do to create lists.